Hello students, today we are learning how to do minus sums. If we have 100, how to do minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 9. Okay, most of the students are doing mistake in it. Okay, let's start. It's 100, 100, this is our starting road. 100, it's 100, right? And first of all, we are doing minus 1. Friend of 1 is minus 1. We will do minus 1 from this road. Okay, friend of 1 is 9. The formula is minus 10 plus 9. We can do minus plus 9 but can't do minus 10. Okay, so for minus 10 we can do minus 100 plus 90 plus 9. Got it? Okay, now we are again moving to the 100 and do minus 2. Friend of 2 is 8. The same way, minus 100 plus 90 plus 8. Okay, some students, what they are doing, minus 100 plus 90. Then again they are doing minus 10 plus 8. It's wrong. Okay, you see this, you are doing minus 100 plus 90. That means you have done minus 10. Just you have to add 8. Okay, see this, it's minus 100 and you have to do minus 10. Or you can say how to do minus 10 is similar to minus 1 on the tens road, because this is the tens road and is similar to the formula will be applied for minus 1. Friend of 1 is 9, minus 10 plus 9. Or you can say minus 100 plus 90 is minus 10, right? And plus 8 is minus 2. Okay, now again we are doing minus 100 and this time we are doing minus 3. Friend of 3 is 7, minus 100 plus 90 plus 7. Got it? Now we are doing minus 4. Friend of 4 is 6, minus 100 plus 90 plus 6. Same way, minus 5, minus 100 plus 90 plus 5. Friend of 5 is 5. Okay, now we are doing minus 4. Friend of 4 is 6, minus 100 plus 90 plus, friend, we are doing, sorry, we have to do minus 6 now. Okay, minus 100 plus 90 and friend of 6 is 4. Okay, now do minus 7. Same way, minus 100 plus 90 plus 7. And one more thing we have to learn, that how we are doing minus 100, minus 10, sorry, minus 100 plus 90, but you have to make sure that you are using your right hands. Okay, for minus 100 you are using your left hand, minus 100 with your left hand. How? Index finger, minus 100, index finger, right hand, sorry, left hand, and plus 90 with your pinch. Got it? Then plus whatever be the formula. Okay, okay, now we are doing minus 7, minus 100 with your left hand, plus 90 pinch, minus 10. This is minus 10. Now friend of 7 is 3, add 10. Got it? Now minus 8, minus 100 with our left hand, plus 90 pinch. You can do it together, minus 100 plus 90, and friend of 8 is 2. Got it? Now same way, minus 9, it's 100. How to do minus 9? You have to use your left hand, minus 100 plus 90. Friend of 9 is 1. Got it? Answer is 91. Got it? And one more thing, we can try like if we have 330, we can say 330 and wants to do minus 33. Minus 30 we can do easily. Then minus 3. How to do minus 3? We can do minus 3 on this road. What is the formula for minus 3? Friend of 3 is 7 minus 10 plus 7. But how can you do that? Minus 10 minus 100 plus 90 plus 7. Got it? Okay, now if we have 550 and wants to do minus 55. Okay, minus 50 we can do it easily. Minus 5, how to do minus 5? Minus 10 plus 5, but we can't do minus 10. For minus 10 we are doing minus 100. How to do minus 100? Minus 50 plus 400 is minus 100 plus 90, again same, and plus 5. Got it? Okay, I'm repeating this one. If we have 550 wants to do minus 55, we can do minus 50 easily. For minus 5 we have formula minus 10 plus 5. How can we do minus 10? Minus 100 plus 90. How to do minus 100? See this, my fingers, minus 500 with middle finger and plus 400 this. We can do together like this. This is like this. Okay. Minus 100 plus 90 with our right hand. We can do it together. Left and right hands work simultaneously and add 5. Okay. Got it? Okay. One last thing. If we have 1000, even 1100, okay, 1100 and wants to do minus 55. Okay, minus 50 minus 50. For minus 50 we can do minus 100 plus 50. For minus 5, minus 10 plus 5. Got it? And next is, again we want to do minus 55. We can't do minus 50 because we don't have 50 here. We can do formula. We can apply the formula minus 100 plus 50. How to do minus 100? Again the same way, minus 1000 with our left hand plus 900 and add 50 and minus 5, minus 55. Got it? Okay, I am repeating the same again. It's 1100 minus 55. We can do it easily. Minus 50 minus 5. You can see this. We can do it together. Minus 10 plus 5. You can use both hands. Okay. It's 1045. Again we want to do minus 55. Minus 50. How to do minus 50? Minus 1000 plus 900 plus 50 and minus 5. Minus 5. It's easy. Got it?